Managers. Simple Strata will make managers' life simple. What managers would like to achieve most is actually to have a clear visibility about their team performance and progress, and if there is any shortcomings, they help them in order to achieve success. Traditionally, this was done ad hoc. No schedule, no previous data, no plan for the future. So this will make the relation between the employee and manager a bit, let's say, a bit difficult from achieving joint success. And the lack of visibility, lack of measures, usually there's a lack of success. So what did we provide within Simple Strata? Within Simple Strata, we came with an extremely simple concept, which is called cards. All of us were familiar with cards. So when we go to a hospital, we find that they have a card and they say, okay, your temperature, your blood pressure, your blah, blah, blah. This is where they do it in a card. If you go and you take your car for a maintenance, again, they give you, let's say, service check card. And they're saying, we'll check the oil, we'll check the brakes, we'll check this one, yes? We did it in a similar way. So we created cards that can be checked in a certain period of time in order to see the health of the results and the progress of the activities. So as a manager, we created two things. One called key points and measures that's connected to the objectives and the results and to check the health of them. And the second thing that we created is called checkpoints and indicators to be connected to the activities and check their progress. I'll show how this can be done using the mobile. So I'm logged here as a manager for Samir Ahmed, the guy that you see before. So if I need to monitor Samir Ahmed, simply I can go for the organization. I can search for his name. Done. I have key points and checkpoints. In key points, I can define when I will check the health of the results. And if I go for checkpoints, I will check the progress of the activities. So if you see here, I'll go through creating a card, or let's say I'll use maybe an existing card. This is a card of May, or I'm gonna create a card, which is say, okay, 2017, June, yes? In 2017, June, by end of June, I will do one thing, which is okay, this is the end of June, done. Yes, I created a card now. What do I need, what will I check? June. Okay, so what will I check within June? Simply, I know all the objectives that he's measured to. I can select from them. Simple, I select this one and I put a target. Yes, say an example, this target, okay, 80%. Yes, so I create this one and I add another one. Okay, another key results, this one, account payable, and I say I need 30. Done. So I create a card of review health, yes? So now I have a card which is in June, I'm gonna check this guy on two things, see? In June now, 2 measures. In May, 10 measures. So whenever we meet June or May, I know exactly how I'll measure him, and I can know, what is his score. So if I look again at his card, I can know that this guy scored 81, and if I need to know in which month he didn't score well, I can check those. So as an example here, I know that his lowest score was in, February. So, and even if my team requests anything from me, which is I support them, they can add it to expectations, which is saying, okay, for us, in order to achieve better results, we need get customer electronic signature. We need to invoice this in time. And whenever they add those, I get immediately notified to know what they requested from me, so I can extend on-time support rather than, at the end of the year support. So as a manager, I'll always have the ability to look at my team performance, their progress month over a month, the plans that or the efforts that they're executing to achieve those results, and what they're expecting from me in order to achieve better results. So this is also some slides which is showing things here. Let's say Samir Ahmad, checkpoints in May and June, and this is the indicators, social event of customers. Other thing, which is I can see them from outside, and if you notice, I like this one. We put the score around the picture. That's, by the way, is an important thing, because here we're saying Samir is in green. So this is have like a mindset change. I'm in green. Okay, X is in red, and nobody, believe me, nobody would like to be in red.